And then, ma'am,
Yes.
opo, ibabasahin na po namin, ma'am, yung order na naka-address naman po. Ma'am, okay, ma'am. Ito, ma'am, tigisa po ulit tayo.
Just a moment.
Yes, no.
Do I need my lawyers to be present?
Hindi naman po, ma'am. Hindi naman
I
po.
really
This
like my
time.
lawyers to be present, ma'am.
Opo. Ma'am, hindi po muna ngayon. Kasi, ma'am.
Are you answering me now?
Yes po, ma'am.
No, I really want my lawyers to be present.
Attorney, ang order ng committee ng House is
Yes.
to transfer you immediately.
I understand
Yes,
that,
yes.
but I really like my lawyers to be present.
Can we arrange that while on transit?
No, I really like my lawyers to be present.
Kasi
Ma'am, we can arrange that naman, ma'am, for you. Pero, ma'am, let
Can we call
us...
them now?
No, ma'am, let us implement this first, ma'am. Because we are
I need my
under...
lawyers to be present, ma'am. Please. I need my lawyers to be present.
Ma'am, not here po.
I am serving my detention in good faith.
Opo.
Please know that.
Opo.
From the US, I came back. I sat there and I answered the questions. So, I would like my lawyers to be present.
Ma'am, are your lawyers around?
We are going to call them.
And ma'am, but we are ordered to
I want my
implement this
lawyers to be
immediately.
present. Ma'am, please.
Opo. So,
Please
I'm ready to
understand.
also...
kasi ang ano sa
Wala akong problema,
Yes.
sir. But I need my lawyers to be present.
before we can effect this, ma'am.
I need
Because
my
ba-
lawyers. No, let them come again. Or at least masabihan ko sila.
Ma'am, safe naman po kayo with us. Opo.
It is not that. Wala akong issue about that. Leave the room now.
Ma'am, ma'am, may lawyer naman po kami dito.
I am not going
Okay.
anywhere. Just
Okay.
leave the room now. Leave the room now.
Ma'am, we'll check muna po sa aming committee.
Walang problema. Leave the room now. I just want my lawyers to be present. Narinig niyan lahat, ha?
Opo, opo.
I want my lawyers to be present. Please leave the room now.
Paki-inform mo sa...
Leave the room now. You can stay there. Walang problema. Nicole, leave the room now.
Opo.
Please just leave the room.
Ma'am, wait lang po. Maghintay lang po muna kami ng instruction. Kung ano naman po yung instruction nila.
Leave the room now. Oh, it's okay. Please just go out.
Yeah.
Leave the room now.
2022.
Ng order dito. Ako po yung lawyer niya ngayon.
Ma'am, no, we're just reading po the order. Opo.
Ang order, nabas ko na po yan. Ako po yung lawyer niya ngayon.
Yes, ma'am. Opo.
Kasi, this is a detention center.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Opo. Yes, ma'am.
Hard contempt.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So, may space kayo para dito sa kanya.
Yes, ma'am.
Diba?
Opo. Ma'am, let us just comply because we are mandated to read this order. We will just simply read it to ma'am. Yes po.
Share the copy here.
Ma'am, no, I think that's a different one, ma'am.
Okay.
That's,
Can you just put copy?
yes, ma'am, but before I give you the copy, ma'am, will you please allow me to read it?
Okay, sige, ma'am. Can you just give us a copy? and
Yes,
put it
ma'am.
in the-
Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am. Okay, ma'am, may I continue? Into the utilization of public funds, particularly the budget appropriated to the office of the President, Vice President, I mean, for the years 2022, 2023,
Ma'am, kumusta po siya, ma'am? Opo.
Nagsipa siya ng nagsipa tapos nagkulang. Naano namin.
May condition po ba siya, ma'am? Bawal pa bawal. Ayo. Atraso lang, please.
Love you, Yusek. Hindi ito convict.
Ma'am, gagawin po namin sa St. Luke.
Hindi. Kanina, sinabihan kayo sa St. Luke. Dinala niyo
Hindi
dito.
ko po malam. Ibang driver po yun.
Naku, sir. Hindi.
Ibang driver po yun. Hindi
Hindi, sir.
But you did what you did.
Kuya, wag mo nang sagutin. Vice President yan, sir.
Video.
Huwag, sir.
Vice President yan.
Kasi yung maganda na ipahanan.
Sasarahan ito, bibilya mo, Ro.
Pinagtatanggol po kayo ng tatay niya. Pinagtanggol po ang kapulisan. Pinagtanggol po. Sir, kayo. Even ang military, mga sundalo. Huwag po kayo sumunod sa mali. Hindi convict yan. Hindi suspect yan. Hindi lang yan ng content. Nagalit kami ng batasan. Sinabi ko, kami pupunta. Hindi na kami sa veterans. Oo. Saan yan pupunta, sir? Nakita mo yung condition niya? Paano tatakbo yan? Paano tatakbo yan? Sir, sumunod kayo ng lawful orders. Huwag yung alam nyo na injustice na siya sa mga tao. Huwag kayong bakla. Tama! Tama! Tama yan. Taas ninyo ang dignidad nyo, mga pulis. Kayo may mga pamilya, kayo may asawa at mga anak.
Police, dapat loyal kayo sa Constitution. Hindi sa politician.
Protect the people, not the malos-los.
Constitution po, sa batas, hindi sa kahit ang malos-los.
Hindi to bargain. Hindi to bargain. Hindi to bargain. Ilabas niya yung... Sir, tingnan mo. Dali niyo yung tama. Doktor na nagsasabi sa iyo, doktor test. Masalanan nila. Ano yung nangyari kay Atty. Lopez? Atty. Relax! Atty. Relax! Kami na lang magsusugod sa ospital. Sige po, doktor ang masusunod dito. Hindi pulis. Atty. Relax. Doktor ang masusunod. Kailangan dyan.
Major problem to eh.
Back off, police! Police, back off! Back off! Police!
Ambulance kami kami.
Nagkakaroon lalo na anxiety ng tao. Pwedeng mag-heart attack yan. Ako na! Kami na magsusunod!
Atras kayo. Atras po tayo.
Nagagalit si Tito. Huwag na isa na may tama!
Kami na lang.
Hindi naman yung may mga na hindi na makakatakbo. Pero, muntik maipit ayaw niya, umaalis, ayaw ni Atty. Lopez. Lawful order! Ako na, sabi na sir, sabi na. Huwag ka na pumila! Huwag ka na pumila, sir! Please, back off!
Dahil mo ano yan, oh.
Please, back off!
Dahil yung mukha na yan.
Parang isa, pwede. Pwede to. Sa mga pinto, ingat po!
Pagod, ma'am.
Paano namatay ang anak niya? Okay? Okay, sumunod ka. Sarap na sasakyan mo. Ingat po.
Mga kapuso, nandito tayo sa Veterans Memorial Medical Center. Sa mga oras na ito ay nagkakaroon ng komisyon, kinakalampag na ng taong bayan itong ambulansya ng QCPD dahil nakaharang ito sa ambulansya kung saan nakasakay si Attorney Zuleika Lopez, ang Chief of Staff ni Vice President Sara Duterte. Sa mga oras na ito, eto na, nakaalis na yung ambulansya at ililipat si Attorney Lopez sa St. Luke's Medical Center.
Hindi mo siya makausap eh. But she answered some questions of the doctor. Pero hindi lahat din. And then, pag kami yung kumakausap sa kanya, hindi siya nagsasalita na. And really, I'm worried kasi kanina din, inano niya yung ballpen ba? Ginaganyan niya yung ballpen na sinabihan namin siya. Ano sinabi niya sa amin na ayoko na ito, make this stop, and I will stop this. Yan, mga ganyan na mga ano. And she already said her piece kanina before she started vomiting. She said her piece. Parang she doesn't feel safe.